I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware and creating safety nets. Power down, reseat RAM modules, firm clicks matter, mismatched specs cause instability. Once powered, run Windows Memory Diagnostic or boot MemTest 86 to detect faults, because software errors mimic bad RAM. Make a system restore point before any driver or BIOS change, and close resource-heavy apps so tests run cleanly. This prevents false positives and gives you a rollback option if something goes wrong, so you can act confidently and avoid cascading issues. You now interpret the test output and take corrective action. If MemTest shows errors, test each module one at a time and swap slots. This isolates a bad stick versus a bad slot. Once isolated, try resetting BIOS to default JEDEC timings. Sometimes aggressive XMP profiles produce errors. If stability returns, enable XMP at lower profile or manually relax timings and voltage slightly. Make sure to document original settings so you can revert. These steps explain why errors happen and how to fix timing and placement causes. You finish by replacing or updating what failed. If a module is bad, swap it under warranty for an identical spec part. Mismatched replacements create new issues. Update BIOS and chipset drivers to ensure compatibility, then run a 4-hour stress test to confirm stability, because brief tests can miss intermittent faults. If issues continue, try single-channel testing to narrow motherboard problems and contact vendor support with your MemTest logs. One key troubleshooting tip: if 2 sticks fail, test them in another known good system before assuming the motherboard is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.